Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create beautiful, layered layouts in WordPress without touching a single line of code, this video is for you. Today I'll show you exactly how to use the stack block to organize and layer content on your website. This is the full 2025 guide, so you'll be up to date with the latest WordPress features. Let's dive in. Access your WordPress account. First, head over to wordpress.com and log in. If you want a quicker and more secure login, you can choose Continue with Google. That way, you're in with just one click. Navigate to the dashboard. Once you're in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for everything on your site. Look to the right-hand panel for the Quick Links section and select Edit Site. This will open the Site Editor where all the magic happens. Add the stack block inside the editor, find the Add Block button. It's usually a plus sign in the top left corner. Click it and a search bar will appear. Type stack. From the results, choose the block that's simply labeled stack. Build your layout. When you add a stack, you're essentially adding a container. Think of it like a flexible box that can hold multiple elements: text, images, buttons, or even other blocks. You can arrange these elements vertically or horizontally, which makes it easy to create layered designs and visually striking sections. For example, you might stack a headline on top of an image with a button underneath, or layer text over a background photo for a hero section. The stack block keeps everything neatly organized, so your design stays clean and responsive on all devices. Customize the style. Don't forget to fine-tune your stack. In the block settings on the right side, you can adjust spacing, alignment, and background colors to match your brand. Play around with padding and margins to give your content breathing room and create a professional look. And that's it. You've just learned how to add and customize a stack block in WordPress, giving you the power to create modern layered layouts without any coding. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and full 2025 guides. Drop your questions or design ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear what you create with Stack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.